Hello everyone, my name is Prathmesh Kulkarni and from the Learning or Academy I am here to teach you first chapter of 11th standard physics, that is units and dimension. First of all, what is physics? Physics is the sub-branch of science which deals with study of physical effect of any phenomenon occurs in a nature. I'm here to teach you. Let us move to our chapter. The name of our chapter is units and dimension. I must say that it is a very important chapter, very basic but very important chapter in the science stream or in the 11th standard, that is units and dimension. Let us start our chapter from first slide. What is unit? The definition of unit is the reference standard used to measure any physical quantity is known as unit. If we travel some distance, what we say, we have traveled 10 kilometer, 100 kilometer. That kilometer is the reference standard used to measure that distance, how much distance we traveled. So a unit, the reference standard used to measure any physical quantity, is known as units. What are the system of units? There are four system of units. First is MKS unit, that is meter kilogram second system. Second type of system is CGS system, that is centimeter gram second system. Third system is FPS, that is foot pound second system. And fourth is SI, that is standard of unit, an international standard unit. In all three units or in SI unit, first thing is length, second thing is mass, and third thing is time, which is we are going to measure. Let's move to the second slide. So as explained in first slide, a unit, a reference standard used to measure any physical quantity, is called unit. So what are the types of unit? There are two types of unit. First is fundamental unit and second is derived unit. Let us move to the third slide. Fundamental unit. A unit which is used to measure fundamental quantity is known as fundamental unit. Like temperature, time, length, mass, luminous intensity, angles, etc. In this slide you are able to see one chart which gives you all the list of fundamental units which we have. Let us move to next slide. Next and last slide. What is derived unit? The name derived itself suggests that the unit is derived. So the definition of derived unit is a unit which is derived from fundamental unit is known as derived unit. So as giving example, the formula of velocity, or the velocity, is distance covered by a body, by the object, per unit time, that is distance upon time. The distance and time both are distance and time, length and time, both are the physical quantities which are fundamental quantities, which are having their own units. That is, unit of length is meter and that of time is second. So from we can get velocity is equal to distance upon time. Unit of distance is meter, unit of time is second, that is equal to meter per second. So the unit of velocity is meter per second. I hope you understand this very important, very basic concept. I request you to like, share and subscribe our channel for such more videos. Thank you.